on, Fred. Who was that chasing you off? Who was that? Oh no! Who's that? Kenny, is that you? I don't know who that is chasing you off. Come over here. Oh my goodness, who's that? Who's that attacking you? Oh my goodness. Who was that? Was that Kenny Intruder Ian? Look at that cut on your eye. Who was that, darling? Oh, it's very cold and windy, Fred. Very cold and windy. At least the snow's melted. Are you watching out for him? He's gone back into there. Let's go back in. Oh, there's a dog coming. He's just gone into the safety of the bram. Oh, hello. Hello. I didn't see you sneaking up. Hang on. Hang on, I'll get you something. It's gone, darling. Come on down. The dog's gone. Come on. You'll have to come back the other way. That's it. Come down that. Jump across. There we are. Come up here then. Oh, you've got a cut on your nose. What's going on with you lot? Right, where's my little Fred? Fred! Fred! Come on back, darling. Come on back. Oh, do you want me to feed you down there? Hang on. Oh, it's going a bit... Oh, you dropped it, darling. And it's gone blurry on you. Oh. Flip sticks. It's gone blurry on you, Fred. Oh, sorry, darling. It went blurry on you. That bike scared us both, darling. It scared us both, little Fred. Right, at least he's had a good few mealworms. A couple of little bits. See you later, Fred.